usual, we will start our class with a warm up of a good habits. What are the good habits? Already I told you so many good habits is there. Early morning you have to get up, do your yoga or exercise, have brush your teeth, have a glass of milk, then have a hot water bath. Once in a frequent day you have to have your head bath, then trim your nails and trim your hairs once in a month. Okay, trim your nails once in a week and trim your hairs once in a month. Afterwards you can have a very good healthy breakfast. Then you have to dress up very neatly, iron clothes, and you have to go to the school. In the school you should maintain the school disciplines, and you have to greet the younger ones and elder ones and also the children who are in the school, and you have to greet your teacher also. Okay, then what else? In the afternoon when we leave you for a short break or a snack, you have to maintain your table manners in the school also. After going to home, you need to keep all your things in a proper place, and you have to wash your hands and legs thoroughly with lots of soap and water, because nowadays, because of this corona pandemic, everyone should be very clean and hygiene. Don't forget to use your hand washes in regular frequently. Okay, in regular intervals. Okay, then afterwards you take a little small snack. Okay, after napping you can go out and play with your friends, either by a cycle or on a road, but don't go near the vehicles running road. Okay, you can play a cricket or any your favorite sport for 20 minutes. After that, what you have to do? Then after coming home, again you wash your face, legs and legs till the knee, and your hands with the water, and you have to tap with a dry towel. Then go kneel the God, make a small prayer there, that you'll sit for reading. When you sit for reading, everything should get be remind. Okay, afterwards joining your hands, you pray the God, then come and sit in your reading, near your reading table. Okay, and then you start finishing all your homeworks and start reading. Ask your mama sir, which is very essential whenever you need it really. Okay, don't always depend on your mama's help only for small things. You sit yourself and do your homework, and you can start reading also. Okay, then it will be around 6:30. You have a glass of milk with 2 biscuits or any fruit or any small chats. Then in the night 8:30 you have your supper or dinner. Before going to bed again you have to wash your hands, face, then brush your teeth and go to bed calmly. Before sleeping you can hear a good bedtime stories. Either you can read it or hear by your YouTube channel. Okay, this is your daily routine, children. Now shall we start our class? As usual today, I will start with the class of English. Okay, what we learned till now, all the blends we learned, the blends of L, R and S. Today we are going to learn the diagram. That is also called a blend. This is your English. This is your English. Okay, in the diagram, today we are going to learn CH and SH. Okay, CH blends and SH blends. Okay, this is not a single letter of the blend of C, blend of S, it's a diagram. You can take it as a blend of H, because both the sides H are there. Okay, yes. Yes, shall we start with some words? For CH, you can write cherry, chain, chips, chin. Then what else? Chain. Okay, so many words you can do with CH blends, but for your reference I have taken some like cherry, it's a fruit, chain, it's a link of one to other, then chips, your favorite snack, potato chips, banana chips, like that. Okay, chin, it's a part of our one body, that is a chin. Okay, and this is a chair. Okay, then the chair, it's one furniture where we will use to sit. Okay, we will use this chair to sit. Now I am going to second line, that is sh, shut. Shut means close the door, shut the door, shut your mouth, like it, close. Ship, shore, shine, shop. Okay, so many are there. Shut, ship, shore, shine, shop. How we pronounce these blends? S plus at. Sh, sh plus h. Sh plus h is called a sh. Okay? S plus S make a sound of sh. H make a sound of h. And these both combines with a shut. Okay? Shut, ship, you know that shut means close. Ship, it is a means of one transport in a water transport. Next is shore. The ದಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸಮುದ್ರದ ದಂಡೆ, ಸಮುದ್ರದ ದಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, where there will be sand to play, that is called a shore. Next is shine. Shine means sparkling, twinkling, that is called a shine. And the last one I have taken is a shop. So many are there, you can read it and you can see through your where your YouTube. Okay, today I am going to teach you some words regarding to this CH and SH. Open your Discover Phonic book, book 5. Okay, there is a homework only in your Discover Phonic book. Page number 20. Okay, what they are given? CH and SH blends. Okay, SH diagram. For CH they are given some words there. Chain, cheese. Okay, it will come to the last also. Beach, teach. Chain, cheese, beach, teach. In first two letters it is in the starting. In the last two words it is in the end. Okay, but both are together. Next, SH, shell, ship, brush, splash. Shell, ship, brush and splash. Same thing for the shell and ship. The SH blends or SH diagram in the starting, beginning consonant. For brush and splash, the SH blend is at the end. Okay. Then they given one in the page number 21. They are given some sentence also. I am going to read. Tim is at the beach. He likes to collect shells. He wants to eat a cheeseburger. Okay, Tim is at the beach. He likes to collect shells. He wants to eat a cheeseburger. Kim likes to paint a ship. She splashes the paint with a brush. Kim likes to paint a ship. She splashes the paint with the brush. She has a paint on her cheeks. Okay, this you can read aloudly at home. You have to read, children, once or two times. You have to read and read. Okay, next homework is in your phonic activity book, page number 57. Okay, there CH and SH diagram. Then they are given some words, you have to write 2 times. In the lines they are given: chain, cheese, beach, teach. Ship, brush, splash, shell. Ship, brush, splash, shell. Okay. These two things you have to write it in that page number 57. What you have to write? First you have to write your name, then the date. As usual, you have to complete the lines with the same thing, like blue to blue or red to blue or blue to red. How they are given, you have to try to write it and complete the page number 57 in your phonic activity book. Okay. This is the SH and what? CH diagrams. Okay. Now we will move to our next chapter, that is mathematics. Yes. In the maths, yesterday we were doing the additions and also the subtraction. Today I am going to do the same thing, revision, addition. Okay, number lines. On the number lines we will go and do some addition. I will take 7 plus 2 is equal to how much? Okay, 7 plus 2 is equal to how much? I will write one number line here. Okay, and take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Okay. First what you have to do? You have to recognize the first number, that is the 7. Here the first number is 7. Correct? No? 7. Here also 7. You need to jump how many times? 2 times forward. Okay. Jump 2 times forward. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 times forward. 7 to 8, 8 to 9. The answer is 9. You get it? 9. You have to jump 2 times forward. You have to write here how many times you jumped to the forward. So 7, from 7 you jump 2 times and you reach the number 9. The 9 will be the answer. Okay. This method you can use your finger also. On that day I taught you, keep 7 in your mind. 7 in your mind and 2 in your finger. 7 in your mind and 2 in your finger. Now you count 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and then 9. Like that you can try at home. Okay. Now I will do the subtraction using the number line. Using the number line. I'll take the same problem for the 7 plus 2 I have taken here and take the same thing. 7 minus 2. How much we will get? We can see now. 7 minus 2. Okay. Now I'll write one number line here. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do only 10. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. you have to jump 2 times backward. I will jump from 7 to 6. 1 time and 2 times. Correct, no? 1 time, 2 times. Here I have written 1, 2. Like this I have written. Here I will write it in the backward position. 1, 2 times. The answer is 5. I get the answer is 5. You can do the subtraction using your fingers. How you use? Open the finger 7. Okay, the number 7 on your finger. Now you close 2 fingers, 1 and 2. How many is remaining? Now we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on your finger. The answer is 5. Okay, like this you can try at home. Now I will do the same thing, addition, using a dot method. Plus 3, how much? That we don't know, no? 6 plus 3, how much? I will do in a box method. I mean dot method. First you have to take one box like this. Correct? Segregate. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Here I have to take 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots? I have taken 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then afterwards I have to take 3 dots here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you carry on all the things below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. I have taken all these below. Now the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got the answer 9. Okay, the answer is 9. This is your dot method. The same thing you can do using the fingers. How you do using the fingers? Yes, as usual, you keep 6 in your mind and 3 in your fingers. Okay, 6 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. You got the answer 9. Okay, the same dot method I will use for subtraction also. What you have to do in the dot method subtraction, you have to write a bigger number dots. Only you have to take the bigger number dots. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Totally only the 6 dots I have taken here. In that I will strike out the 3. 1, 2, 3. How much I strike out? I have taken out the 3 dots. I have striken out the 3 dots. The remaining how many are there? I will carry forward below. Okay, carry down. 1, 2 and the 3. The answer is 3. Okay, I got the answer 3 here. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. I have done using my dot method. Okay. The same thing you can do Now open your fingers. How many fingers you need to open? Which is the biggest number there? Yes, the 6 is the biggest number. From the 6, how much you need to fold? You have to remove or fold the 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Remember 3. We got the answer 3. Like that you can try it at home. The addition, in the addition you can do using these dot cards. What we have done, a flashcard. Already I told you can do at home like these cards, and you can try it at home. Okay children? Yes. Today I am going to give the homework. For the addition also, for the subtraction also. The homework. Okay, in your open your mathematics readiness book. Okay, the on homework is mathematics readiness book. Page number 78. What they given? A review. Add or subtract. Solve the problem. Add or subtract. Solve the problem. I saw 4 elephants. Then 2 more joined in. How many are there in all? Okay. For example, they are given there. I saw 4 elephants. Okay. Then 2 more joined in. How many elephants are there in all? Okay. This tomorrow we can do children. Okay, I will teach you in the tomorrow's class. No need to learn today. Today you are going to do some addition homework using both number line. Okay, don't do this one. Okay, because tomorrow I am going to teach you, then you can do this one. Okay, today I am done on the division of the addition and the subtraction using the dot method, and also the number line method. Today you do only those things, and tomorrow I will give this homework for you for your reference. I had told you, you be ready with that. Okay, number line and dot method. Four plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 7 plus 5. Not 7 plus 5 because you can't cross the 10. Okay. 7 plus 3. Okay. This is your small homework. You have to do both the things in the number line also and also in your dot method. Like that the subtraction is using number line and also in dot method. Okay, these 6 problems you need to solve both in number line and also in the dot method. As I told you, you have to refer the page number 78 in mathematics readiness book. Just you learn and be ready. Tomorrow class I will teach you, or I will give a homework on that. Then you can complete that page number mathematics readiness page number 78. Okay children, hope you all understood today's class. complete all your homework day to day. This maths homework you have to do in your square book. Okay, and get ready for the difference between the number line and dot method in the addition also and also in the subtraction. Don't get confusions. Sit calmly and do the homework. Okay, yes, understood now? Yes children, take care. Bye.